Hi, good day. My name is Ade Lamidi. I'm based in the UK and I am an online franchise business owner. Today, I wanted to share with you a complete online business system where that it's fully automated, where most of the sales are closed for you. And I'm just logging on to Facebook, and in our team group, I got a sales message yesterday. Well, I got a message yesterday from one of our sales coaches. Um, Anytime anybody makes a sale, they call it a boom. You get a congratulation message. So here's the message that I got yesterday from one of our sales coaches, and it says congratulations to Ade on his $3,000 franchise sale. So basically, I also got another message from the founder of the online franchise. His name is Paul Lynch, and I'm just going to. So here's the other congratulation message. Let me just show you. It's actually in my on my profile. So here's the congratulations message. So that's the message, and what was really most surprising was this sale was made on my behalf whilst I was attending a top earners conference at their offices in Blackburn. So I'm going to show you the surprise I got because I wasn't expecting this sale. So I just want you to watch this short video which explains the shock on my face while I was attending this conference. It's just about a few minutes long, and here's the lady that's delivering me the boom. So just watch out.
I'm in the offices. Here's Dave. Hello. Here's Claire. Hi. She said, "Don't get me on there." So what do? That's just how nice I am. Just have a little walk around. Got these poor lads out here training. Just this around. Oh, can't see nothing there. Look, it's been snowing here. So, I'm coming in live with a boom. Sorry I didn't just put on a coming in live because the guys next door are having their tech, their training. They're all here, Top Earners Academy training. And yeah, lots of them are in there now learning all goodies. And one of this boom is for somebody in the room. So I'm going to go in there in a minute. Good morning, Paul. How are you? I need to speak to you in a little while, Paul, okay? Oh, look, David Cook's watching. That's horrible. That's horrible there. My big face on his screen. So I'm going to go into, trying to be quiet at the moment because I know they're learning lots and lots of stuff in there, lots of important things. So I'm going to sneak into the room in a minute and deliver this live boom for somebody. So I'm just waiting to see. Oops, I've been told I've got to wait. So this boom is for somebody in the room. Let me just turn this around quickly. So these are the people in here, all learning. There's Sean and there's Martin. And all the guys are in there learning, so I'm just going to wait. Been told I've got to wait a minute. It's a very important time. Come on, Martin. I need to get in that room. They've also got the cameraman in there recording, so I don't know if he'll be too impressed. I've got to come in now. This round. Hi guys. It's Phil. There's all these guys. So we've got a live boom.
Oh, who has?
We've got a live boom in the room.
Hello.
Live boom in the room
And
for
who's
somebody.
Who's it going?
I don't know. Who do you think? Who do you think? Any takers? Anyone would like a boom? Yeah?
Who wants a boom?
Who wants a boom?
Yeah.
Well, this boom is for... I'll walk down. It's for you!
you can see, I was really surprised to get this boom. I wasn't expecting it. And again, that's the beauty of the system. The sales are closed on your behalf. And yes, that's it. That's how amazing this system is. I am going to leave a link at the bottom of this video, and you can check out the benefits of what you can get with this system. And the owner, the person who put together this franchise, would explain to you what you need to do to get started with this simple online business model that is fully automated, and all the sales are closed for you. And with that said, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you for watching this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.